Goeiedag, my name is Livia. I'm from the Netherlands and my home university is TU Delft.
Hola, my name is Lucia, I'm from Spain and my home university is Polytechnic of Madrid.
Sziasztok, I'm Mark. I come from Hungary and my home university is Budapest University of Technology and Economics.
Buenas, ¿qué tal? I'm Leo, I'm from Spain and my home university is Polytechnic Madrid.
I have chosen KIT because I wanted to experience what it's like studying in Germany, and the university offered some great courses for me to explore what it's meant to be an architect.
I always heard that Germany is great in engineering and that the universities are very advanced, so I wanted to try this experience. Also, a lot of people recommend me this city, Karlsruhe, because there is a very nice student atmosphere and because of the location. Because it's in the middle of Europe and it's really nice to travel from here to other countries.
So yeah, I studied in German when I was a kid, so one of the things I wanted to do is like came in here to Germany and trying to study abroad. And this is a really huge university with different degrees, so I think it's really great like chatting with people in other fields, so yeah.
I choose KIT for my semester abroad because I really wanted to learn German, the language, but also like the culture. I'm really into skiing and I wanted to like be closer to the Alps, so that's why I also choose Karlsruhe, so that I can combine the skiing with the studying.
What I like about the studies here is the openness of discussion. During seminars you are open to discuss with the teacher, as a colleague, not as a teacher or student. What I have found special here is the fact that they have seminar rooms like this where you can do your own work, you can hang out with other people of your class.
At KIT, what I like the most is the design project. We have a lot of types that we can choose. In my case, my project, we are working on things that we could actually build one day, and that's something that I never done before.
Well, maybe I sound a bit silly, but for me it's the library and places like this. Yeah, I really like going to different like departments and watching what they have and where I can study and what I can get about them.
What I like about the KIT, the study program, is that I really like that you have like a lot of different subjects that you can choose. So I'm doing now an art course, but also a programming course that I never had, so I really like that about it.
Okay, I really like the sense of community here, like you can ask whatever question you have and people are always like working with you and giving you advices, so yeah, that's really great.
If you are unsure about your language skills but still want to learn in Germany, I think KIT is a really great chance for you to learn him. And also the innovative and new types of architecture courses here are really great.
What I really like about the KIT is the learning environment. We have a lot of different places to extend our knowledge, like the material library where we are right now. You can see we have a lot of different materials that we can learn about. Also, we have the faculty library and the digital fabrication hall where we experiment with more bigger things like robotic arms and prefab fabrication. What I also really like is that there are people guiding you closely with the projects. They're helping you personally to extend your knowledge and help you understand how the projects work and to create a very nice result.
What I like the most in Karlsruhe is that you can go on bike to everywhere, to go to the supermarket or whatever, or whenever you want. The place I love the most in Karlsruhe is the Castle Garden, as you can see the background. It's huge and super green and it's perfect for hanging out or walking around with your friends.
What I really like about Karlsruhe is that it's surrounded by a lot of nature. You have the Schwarzwald, you have like the Schlosspark here behind, and you have a lot of other places where you can go to cycle or run if you want to. That's why also the Schlosspark is my favorite place here, because it's a place where a lot of people come together to do sports but also to chill.
What I like about Karlsruhe is it is a big city, but it doesn't feel like overcrowded. I also like how there's so many nature in here, and my favorite place here is the forest itself. I like going home through the forest with my bike.
Well, because I came from a big city, I really like the quiet here. It's not really noisy place, so it's really calm, and I really like that. I really like the surroundings of the Kotosawa Castle. For the people that are like really into specialty coffee like me, there's a few places you can grab a coffee and go in the surroundings. So it's really cool, like taking a coffee and going to the park and watching like the sunset.
Welcome to Karlsruhe!
Use your chance.
Come to Karlsruhe!
Kite is waiting for you.